Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening.
Hello, hello.
From Vietnam.
From Vietnam, Eric Nguyen.
Yes.
Wow, grabe naman. Meron na tayong Vietnam ngayon. Welcome, welcome, bro, to Okay. Sige, so anyways, no? Ano muna tayo? Shoutout muna tayo sa mga can you message us kung saan kayo? Anong city kayo nanggaling or anong bansa? Anong bansa tayo? From Marikina, si Arlo Capillian. Oy, bro, Arlo, meeting tayo bro ha para makuha mo na yung yung unlimited how, no? Si Bro Arlo nagsimula na to. May nakita mo na ba yung result mo sa mining, Bro Arlo? No, from Bohol. Okay, ang dami natin. Grabe. Okay, almost 30 na tayo. Okay. No, si Doc Pao from Cebu, si Arlo from Marikina, Richard from Bohol, Anthony from Calabarzon, Tumer from Masbate, okay, si Ped from Pangasinan, Michael June from Pampanga. Yes, so kita na ni Bro Arlo, no? Ang kanyang mining, no? And then si Bro Nomer, parang nagsimula na rin to kanina, no? Okay, yan. Marami na tayong nagsimula. Okay. So I'm so excited right now, no? So allow me to call on Doc Pao. Doc Pao. Sana ba si Doc Pao? Doc Pao?
Yes, yes. I'm here.
Yes. Yan. Okay. Okay. Yan. Okay. Sige. So, Doc Pao, shall we begin, no? Our Zoom meeting right now para at least makaano tayo.
Umeko pa.
Yes.
Umeko. Yan, baka okay na.
Okay.
Oh, meron pala tayong international, no? We have international guest
Yes. May tayo, Vietnam.
from Vietnam. So how are we going to greet good evening, good morning sa Vietnam?
Chào, just say xin chào.
Cynthia. Cynthia? That's right?
Xin chào.
Cynthia. Okay, Cynthia is a name. It's a female name in our country. Cynthia, how are you?
Yeah, may Indonesia pa tayo. Tituan.
Oh, selamat malam. Indonesia, we have Indonesia. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Selamat malam. Anyways, please bear with us. We're gonna be, of course, speaking a little bit English, because we have international guests. Okay na ba? See a thumbs up for our Filipino counterpart. Pinagpapawisan ako, galing ako ng gym. I'm sweating. I just came out from the gym. All right? Can I see a thumbs up? Are you ready?
Yes.
Boy, I have seen Lino Kupay, one of the third. It's also with that an honor, Sir Lino Kupay. And yes, we have, of course, one of the kingpin when it comes to cryptocurrency. We have here the Hot Man. Right?
Do you know Leno Kupay? Bro? Do you know me, Leno Kupay?
Of course, legendary man. You're a legendary. Your name resonates to the industry. And of course, we have Happy Man. Okay? So again, for our special guests and of course the pioneers in this industry, let me greet you a pleasant morning. Dapat good morning. It's always good morning. There's a sense of hope. There's a sense of freshness, right? All right. So again, good morning. And at this point in time, allow me to introduce to you our speaker. Actually, he's a good friend of mine, and Engineer Leo Aba, and you know, this guy, I, we get to talk with each other, and basically, we agreed that we are going to create a community. And nowadays, you have to have a community, and for you to be able to create value to our community, it's good that we have this Zoom meeting, and I'm not the right person about the compensation plan, the product, and all. All I have to do is to introduce to you who is Engineer Leo Aba. Engineer Leo Aba had been in financial technology for quite some time, and I would say,
Paki-unmute, Doc Pao. Paki-unmute sa'yo.
here we go. Here we go. Okay, so again, let me introduce to you our good friend and the leader and the prime mover, and I would say, trailblazer and game changer in the industry, and none other than a good friend of mine, Engineer Leo Aba. And I hope that you just open your mind. It's going to be a paradigm shift, because I think most of us are into network marketing, and maybe you are engaged in food supplements and all those stuff. But this time, this is going to be a paradigm shift, because we're going to be talking about financial technology, and nowadays, top 10 billion-dollar industry has something to do with financial technology. And I want you to be prepared, emotionally, mentally, because today we're gonna unlock, it's like mind hacking. I-hack natin yung ating mga utak, for us to absorb and to see this wonderful opportunity, an opportunity of a lifetime, that we are to be aware that the financial landscape right now is changing fast. Really is changing fast. Making billions today is not far-fetched anymore compared back in 10 years, 20 years ago. Nowadays, because of financial technology, there's no geographical limitation. And this is a good thing. You don't need to carry, product, our speaker, this very moment. Again, no further ado, let me introduce to you Engineer Leo Aba.
Yeah, thank you very much for that, brother. Actually, yung mga kasamahan natin ng mga foreigners, are they foreigners or Filipino outside from the Philippines? Can you message? Can we speak in Tagalog, or dapat ba na mag-English tayo?
Our friends from Vietnam and Indonesia are all Vietnamese and Indonesians. We have also from Africa, so we need to speak English.
Okay. Sige. So let me start, no? So anyways, let me introduce myself, no, by way of sharing my slide, guys, no? So anyways, to those who don't know me yet, I'm Engineer Leo Aba. I'm a 20-year traditional business owner, and I've been in the network marketing business for quite some time, no? I've been in the network marketing since I was in college, but really doing the business network marketing for the last 10 years. I'm a computer engineer. I'm an electronics and communication engineer as well, and a graduate of applied mathematics. And I've been very passionate in serving the micro and small medium enterprises. Okay, and I'm a business consultant as well here in the Philippines. Okay, so I've opened lots of corporations. To my counting, I have opened no less than 10 corporations in my lifetime. No, I've opened a construction business, a business consultancy business. I've also ventured into food business. I was the main distributor of a food business here in Mindanao, and I've garnered no less than 600 franchise in less than a year. Okay, and I was also into the cryptocurrency since 2016. And maybe if you can zoom this picture, the man in the middle is actually our mentor, no other than the happy man himself, no? Okay, so the mentor Roland Malinaw. Okay, then I'm also involved into business coaching. Okay, so together with my partners, Richie Mello, and we're also into mentoring together with Doc Paulo Domingo. Okay, so my life has really been dedicated in teaching and empowering not just the Filipino people, but all the people in the world to have the so-called sustainable, significant income, passive income through okay, through collaboration. That's why I've really ventured and study the process, the system, and network marketing. And network marketing, maybe I've accumulated already almost 50 million pesos, and in traditional marketing, traditional business, I've accumulated no less than 180 million pesos. Okay? And the pursuit of attaining the so-called sustainable, significant income. And I really love the journey, in the network marketing, because I've seen how to duplicate, how to motivate my team, my people. Okay? But yet, I've gone through also lots of challenges in my life. Year 2011, actually, my place here in Cagayan de Oro City suffered so much, no? Especially when the so-called uh, Sandong. It was a typhoon where it has no warning. Okay? 2011, that was around the dawn of December 17. As you can see, no, our place here in Cagayan de Oro City was really devastated. And our place in Balunang, Cagayan de Oro City, was the main area where lots of people really died. And my business during this time was a micro lending. I have a holdings corporation and I have a micro lending business. Yeah, and 84% of my borrowers were really affected, and they cannot pay, no? They cannot really comply to the requirements of my business. And because of that, no, I really ventured into lots of business after these challenges, no? Okay? So, anyways, no, in the network marketing, these are my experiences, no? I've really been passionate in doing the business online. Okay? Because I have two kids, and of course I have a family, and I'm really a believer that we can really just do this business online. I'm so excited the moment that you will be part of our community here in Unity Summit, together with Mentor Roland Molina, together with Doc Paulo Domingo, we will give to you the system online for free. Okay? And because of the efficacy of how effective our program is, I also um, uh, mentored lots of network marketers in the Empire Rising Star, in the Empowered Consumerism, in other companies as well, as you can see. And by record in the network marketing, one of which is from the Empowered Consumerism, I garnered my first million in just a matter of 3 months. Actually, I'm one of the fastest by way of using the system that I'm going to share to you right now. Okay? So I'm so excited to share that. Okay? On other than the Sandong, I've also experienced the pandemic, no? During the pandemic, my business was I have 48 branches of my logistics business. Okay? I have a delivery business with 96 employees outside my office, 35 employees inside my office, and 5 programmers, a full pack programmers, actually, front end, back end. And during the time that Ukraine and Russia, no, declared into war, and the gasoline went up, I really was forced to close my delivery business. No, it's really full of bumps, no? The rough and rugged road of doing the business. Again, that on top of closing the business, me and my wife have so much stress, problematic, especially if you don't have any money, if especially that if you close your business, no? And we really pray to God, no? We are actually an Iglesia ni Cristo, we're Christians. Really pray to God, God, please give us an opportunity wherein we can really recover from all the turmoils of challenges, and we can really cope up with the needs of our family. And true indeed, if you pray to God, no, if we have Muslim brothers, if you pray, we pray to Allah, okay, God really answers prayer. And right now, I'm enjoying the right system already. Okay, so what are those systems? Those are the things that I will share to you later on. The system basically is something that really made me, no, enjoy a significant, sustainable income for the last 6 years already. Okay? One of which, no? Ito yung mga ituturo ko sa inyo. These are the things that I would like to share to you guys, no? And we can do this internationally, not just here in the Philippines. I'm going to share to you how to do massive house, how to accumulate massive inquiries through the web. Even right now, no, I have so much guests right now. 100% of my guests here in our Zoom meeting right now is actually, these are really not my common friends or not my warm market. All of them, 100%, are coming from my Facebook Massive How program, which I will also be teaching you that for free if you're already part with Ricky's Booster with Unity Summit. Okay? So, along the way, we will also be teaching you continuous education, continuous innovation every Wednesdays and Saturday together with Doc Paulo Domingo. We will be giving you not just about business, but we will also be sharing to you strategies, techniques, educate you about the field of our industry. Okay, we also have the so-called VIP program, online hub program, enabled for you to really succeed and attain the so-called daily passive significant income. And because of that, right now, I'm already serving my purpose. And my purpose is actually my family. Okay, these are my two kids. It's Zian. Henry Zian is actually 12 years old right now, but he is now my IT in doing this Zoom meeting. Okay, and this is my beautiful wife, no, Alexa. So because of the system, okay, because of the opportunity, especially with the cryptocurrency opportunity, the blockchain, okay, I'm already enjoying the best time with my family. Okay, so that's sort of a brief introduction about me. First, no, I would like you to know me as well. And before continuing and presenting the business right now, I would like to know you. Okay, so to those anyone that I would like to introduce themselves, no, what would they be expecting? Okay, can we ask, maybe there are three of our guests? Okay, where are they coming from? Okay, what are they expecting for this business presentation? Okay, is there anyone who would like to share or ask, make something, or share to them, share to the audience right now, what are they expecting? Okay, may mga tanong ba tayo? May mga i-share? Okay, so if there's none, okay, so we may proceed to our business presentation. Okay, so right now, okay, I'm very excited to share to you the business. No? Itong business natin, it's really, wow, it's really nice. It's really, this is really a dream come true project for me, no? Because a good friend of mine, okay, Brother Roland Malinaw, really inspired me, no? Because he started business year 2013 in the cryptocurrency in industry, or in the cryptocurrency world, in the blockchain industry. And my God, no? Before the Bitcoin, year 2009 was just maybe less than 100 pesos or less than $1. But right now, it's already, well, how much? It's more than $100,000. Okay, and our project right now, actually, our project right now is the so-called Project 10 BTC, Project 10 Bitcoin. Okay, it's not just for the Philippines, but for the world. Okay, look at that. Okay, okay, so this project, to all the members that would like to really partake and participate in doing this business, we will guide you, enable for you to accumulate, to attain 10 Bitcoins. Who would like to have 10 Bitcoins in the next 3 years to 5 years without shelling so much capital, with merely $100 of capital? Who would like to have 10 Bitcoins? Raise their hand or comment down one, or comment down thumbs up. Okay? Wow, yes, grabe. Lahat, no? All of us would like to love to have that. Okay? So, okay, in Tagalog, no, this is not, ang business natin, we are not into gambling, hindi to sugal. And we are not into hyping as well. Okay? Walang natatalo dito. Basically, all of us are winners here in our business. Okay? And we are not a pyramid scheme. Okay, what do you mean by pyramid scheme? When people put in some money and then that money will also be paid for the commission, for the networking, for the binary. This is not that so-called of business. I'm so proud to share that to you guys. Okay? And here, actually, we had an option that you don't need to recruit. Okay? In Tagalog, pwede tayong walang recruit dito. Okay? In Tagalog, kikita tayo kaagad and 24 hours after joining the business. Meaning, we will enjoy immediately our first Bitcoin income earnings in just a matter of 24 hours. Okay? Even without recruitment. That's how good, generous our program is, and we have a 100% retention in all of our business partners. If you would like to create the community, my God, no, in the network marketing industry, it's so hard for us to maintain a community, to maintain the membership of our community. Because usually, if you are into product selling within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, if they are not earning, if they don't know how to sell, if they are not enjoying the so-called sustainable income, they will transfer into another another company. Okay? They'll transfer like kangaroos, no? Looking for the best opportunity out there in the market, but here in our business. Okay? In our Ricky's Booster business, there is a 100% retention. And why is that? Okay, and you will know that. Okay, so the name of our company presenting to you is Ricky's Booster. Okay, and I'm going.
What is Bitcoin mining?
Guys know what is a Bitcoin mining? Okay, to those that are really not familiar yet with Ricky's Booster or the so-called Bitcoin mining, watch the short video.
What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin operates as a peer-to-peer network. This means that everyone who uses Bitcoin is a tiny fraction of the bank of Bitcoin. But where do Bitcoins come from? With paper money, a government decides when to print and distribute money. Bitcoin doesn't have a central government. With Bitcoin, miners use special software to solve math problems and are issued a certain number of Bitcoins in exchange. This provides a smart way to issue the currency and also creates an incentive for more people to mine. And since miners are required to approve Bitcoin transactions, more miners means a more secure network. The Bitcoin network automatically changes the difficulty of the math problems, depending on how fast they're being solved. In the early days, Bitcoin miners solved these math problems with the processors in their computers. Soon, miners discovered that graphics cards used for gaming were much better suited to this kind of math. Graphics cards are faster, but they use more electricity and generate a lot of heat. The first commercial Bitcoin mining products included chips that were reprogrammed for mining Bitcoin. These chips were faster, but still power-hungry. ASIC, or Application-Specific Integrated Circuit chips, are designed specifically for Bitcoin mining. ASIC technology has made Bitcoin mining even faster while using less power. As the popularity of Bitcoin increases, more miners join the network, making it more difficult for individuals to solve the math problems. To overcome this, miners have developed a way to work together in pools. Pools of miners find solutions faster than their individual members, and each miner is rewarded proportionate to the amount of work he or she provides. Mining is an important and integral part of Bitcoin that ensures fairness while keeping the Bitcoin network stable, safe, and secure. For more information about Bitcoin mining, visit bitcoinmining.com.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a brief introduction of Bitcoin mining and introducing Ricky's Booster.
Welcome to Ricky's Booster, a groundbreaking innovation in the world of cryptocurrency mining. Designed with simplicity, efficiency, and profitability at its core, Ricky's Booster empowers individuals and businesses to participate in the digital currency revolution. Let's explore how we're redefining mining for a smarter future. For years, cryptocurrency mining has been synonymous with complexity. expensive hardware.
Okay, in a while. Yan. Okay, can you hear me, guys? Okay, so, hello? Okay, narinig tayo, no? Okay, so shall we continue, no? So, presenting to you, no? Ricky's Booster. Okay, so the Ricky's Booster is basically owned by our CEO, our chairman, Ricky Seo. Okay, so he is a Korean, and he has 7 corporations under his holding company in Korea. He also owns Ricky's Mall. Okay, it's a mall. It's like Lazada that has more than almost 3,000 products in Korea, beauty and everything. Okay, he also owns a beauty manufacturing in manufacturing plant in Korea. He is also into cryptocurrency exchange, and of course, he is also into Bitcoin mining. Okay, so actually, no, we've met our chairman in Resorts World. Okay, and it was a very humbling experience actually, no. Talagang sobrang humble yung natin, yung chairman natin. We really enjoyed the best fellowship with him together with bro Roland. I also meet the team, okay, and also Doc Paulo was there during our event, of course, with our mentor, brother Roland Malinaw. So this is our office in Korea, and that's our cosmetic product. Okay, so as you can see no, these are some of the celebrities in Korea enjoying the picture taking. This is our office, no? That's how transparent we are, no? So we would all like you to see our office. We also have other offices in Korea as well. Yeah. Okay. And this is also one of our lounges in Korea as well. Our office lounge. Okay. And these are some of our beauty products. And our mining farm. Yes, our mining farm. Okay, if you would like to visit that, that's situated in Dubai. In our mining house here. Of course, in Korea as well, you are all invited to visit our mining plant. Okay?
These are hydro-cooling.
Okay, so I will just be very brief with
Making ourselves
video.
in a hybrid way to meet all the temperature which we face in the sun.
And for our Filipino audience, no, these are our Filipino team, no.
But nowadays, the most of the miners they are
in
changing to the
Dubai
hydro.
just this morning. Just this morning. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are our Filipino kababayan.
As for the line of these
Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yan, ito na our CEO. That's Edward.
wow.
And Gerald was also here. Pakita ko sa inyo si Gerald mamaya.
So this is the hydro system for the Bitcoin mining.
They're so lucky. They already visited the mining farm.
Yeah, this is the
Good.
dashboard.
You can also visit the mining farm in Dubai.
You can just come closer and just see this dashboard. Yeah.
This is the actual operation of the business.
Isabi natin ng ad miner which is nagmimina ng Bitcoin. Nandito kami sa atin ngayon, UAE. So ito, check it out.
Gerald, our business partner, is also Filipino. Very good. No? Yan. This was yesterday, January 19.
And the every system, everything. So more than 1,000 machines are located in UAEs, and there's a lot of electricity powers, and there's a lot of the coastal to be covered. So this is gonna be the historical place. All the people together at once, and we've experienced all the facilities at once. And then our teams and our engineers and our alliance that's making the bigger and bigger the huge momentum as well. I think that this one is a kind of unforgettable time for all of us. So I really appreciate it for all of us today, and then thank you for your time today, and I really appreciate it. Yeah.
An amazing opportunity for us visiting this mining farm, first time in our lifetime. And this is Mr. Ricky Bush, and this is one of the best. Going to be the best, please.
Philippine community, all Asian community, this is real. This is for real. Ricky Booster.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting us for such a wonderful facility, and I'm really looking forward. It's a great opportunity for. Thank you, Mr. Ricky.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Yeah, it's the best opportunity this to 2025. So Filipino and all nationalities, we are inviting you to join us here in Ricky Booster.
Yeah. Okay. So, right now, no? Meron ng mga nagtatanong. Maybe rin a lot of our members here are really asking, no, how to start, how to be part of that business, how to be part of the mining of the Ricky's Booster. Okay? So it's very affordable. All you need to do is to choose the plan, okay, or the package, no? If you want to start small, then you can start with $100 package only, no? So that's very cheap, no? That's very affordable. In the Philippines, it's only 6,000 pesos. So if you're outside the Philippines, no, in Vietnam, so it's still very affordable. And actually, you can also add more packages later on. You can add more 100 packages, no? And also $1,000 packages, $5,000 and $10,000. Okay, and every package actually has a 3-year contract. And I'm so happy to share sa inyo right now, guys, no, that our result, no, our daily mining right now, okay, for a 1,000 package is actually around 0.0004 zeros and 7. And if we multiplied it by 30, and it gives us an average return of no less than 20%. Grabe. Okay, that's only around 5 months ROI. And one good thing about it, it gives us Bitcoin every day. Grabe. Okay? So if you would like to enjoy Bitcoin every day, and if you would like to partake in our goal to achieve 10 Bitcoins every day, start now. Start now. Okay? Start even with a small package and go back to the person who invited you, and let him guide you on how to start this business. Okay, and the other benefit as well, no, we have actually 3 kinds of benefit in doing this business. The first benefit is actually you don't need to do something. Okay, once you put in minimum $100 package, or even up to $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000. If you're busy, and if you cannot do the business, like for example, if you cannot invite people, if you're satisfied with the average of around 15% to 20% earnings of your capital, and Bitcoin earnings on a daily basis of 20% on a monthly basis, Bitcoin earning, then that's the benefit number 1. Okay? So we've calculated, if you purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin starting from January 2016 up to present, you're just going to spend at total spend at around $10,900. But because of that, you will be enjoying right now. You should have enjoyed 3.4 BTC. Okay? But if you don't have the millions, because right now Bitcoin is around 6 million pesos already, or in dollars, that's roughly around $100 or $101,000. Okay, you go for mining. The mining side of getting more Bitcoins actually is the safest and the most affordable way of having your own Bitcoin. And it's really possible that you can have 5 to 10 Bitcoins in 3 to 5 years time, especially with Ricky's booster program. Okay, the benefit number 2 and the benefit number 3 is that once you will share this to your friends, no, sa mga kababayan natin, mga OFW, okay, to all your friends around the world, and especially if you're going to use social media, which we will give that to you for free if you're already part with us. Okay, you will actually be enjoying a very generous direct referral commission of the whopping 15%. Grabe. It's so high, no? 15%. And that is actually real time. You will enjoy 15% USDT. Okay, or US dollar. And you can convert it into any, okay, of your money. Okay, transfer it to Binance, to Trust Wallet, and convert it into peso or 20 of the currency that you're in into your country. Okay? And one good thing, if you've created a community, you can actually enjoy another income or another earning on a daily basis. You can enjoy 5% minimum to 45% of the daily Bitcoin earned from your group. Wow, grabe. If we're going to calculate that in peso, my dear friends, if you have 5 and they have accumulated 3,125, okay, along the way, my God, for a peso, you will be enjoying for $100, you'll be enjoying almost $1,000 on a monthly basis. But if you really taken seriously in doing this business, you can actually enjoy how much? That's a 7 million every month. And in dollar, that's actually the same as the value. Okay, roughly almost at the value of the Bitcoin right now is around $110,000 or $120,000 on a monthly basis. So the question is it really possible that you can really attain the 10 Bitcoin in 3 to 5 years time? Yes, 100% really possible. The Project 10 BTC is really possible, not just for the Filipino people, but everyone who would like to partake in this business, and we would be very glad to guide you in achieving this. Okay, that ends my presentation right now. So we will be opening our floor for any questions. Okay, and we would be very glad to answer those questions. Okay, so do you have any questions, guys?
Engineer Leo, before we will open the floor for a question and answer, I would like to call our Chief Operating Officer in Vietnam. He's in charge of Vietnam market. And next month, we will be opening an office and we will grace that event in Vietnam. So Filipinos also can go to Vietnam to participate in this event. So I would like to call our brother, Eric Nguyen. Brother, can you speak a little about the project?
Sure. Thank you, Roland. And great to see you guys here. It's an honor for me to be here. Yeah. First of all, just want to say congratulations to all of you who have been here with us. You have chose the right tools, the right family to be participate in our program. Excuse me for one sec. Let me just, I'm sorry about that. I lost my voice. For the last few days, I've been talking to so many people. I got so excited with this program. I've been dreaming of mining my own Bitcoin for many years, but it's impossible. How can I mine the Bitcoin with my own computer? That is impossible, But now my dream has come to life. Yeah, I know I can do it. With the help of Ricky Booster. Yeah, with the new mining system. It's amazing, guys. So it's very honor for us to be part of the management team as the Chief Operations Officer for the company. And I also hope the team here in Vietnam, we already set up a management team in Vietnam to operate the center here. So we love to meet a lot of you, a lot of leaders in Vietnam next month after the New Year, the Lunar New Year. Yeah, so we will have a soft launch to introduce our office and also our members from Vietnam. So guys, this is the right one, and I hope to see all of you very soon. And good luck, all the best for the new year. If you are Chinese, or if you have the Lunar New Year, so yeah, it's gonna happen very soon. We all succeed in this business, and yeah, great to see you. And that's it. Yeah,
Thank
all
you.
the best. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you for that, Derek. I can really also relate to the voice that you have right now, no? Even I right now, almost, I also have gone to my voice because I was keep on talking and presenting every day, every now and then, every hour. Okay, so because of the excitement, really, and this is really a dream come true business. Okay, and one good thing is that the company is so transparent and so generous in giving out bitcoins, no, on a daily basis. I was really surprised because they mentioned that they're just at around an average return or earnings at around 5% to 15%. But my God, we are now enjoying no less than 20%. Okay, so we're really excited also that you're going to open already in Vietnam, and we're also very excited to visit you as well there, Eric, because we do believe that there are also lots of Filipinos out there that who would like to partake and to do this business as well. Okay, so wishing you all the best, Eric.
Thank you so much. And I just want to add a little bit more in the reason why I have chosen like Ricky Booster, because there are many other competitors out there which they have the similar products to us. But after I met the board of directors, especially the chairman, like Mr. Ricky Seo, oh, he's the best man, he's so friendly, so, humble. We have many drinks together, through the night. We didn't sleep. Me, Sam, the CEO, and Mr. Eddie, and also, yeah, with my wife as well. Yeah, we could not sleep. We spent the whole night together talking about our dream, talking about our business, and I trust him fully. Yeah, so it is great. Yeah, so these are the people that for me to get involved. It's not only about the money, guys. Yeah, it is about the people leading the team, leading the business that we can trust. Okay.
Yes. And I would like to add on to that, Eric. I have never seen a businessman, Korean businessman like our chairman, that he even invited us to visit him in his house in
Exactly.
Korea. Wow,
Yeah.
he really opened up his house, his home, no, for us.
Because his heart is open. That's
Yes,
why.
no. But that's how transparent, generous, and maybe then his business is a so-called Ricky's family. And right now we're so proud that we're already part of Ricky's family. Okay?
That's true.
Yes. Okay, so right now we'll be opening our floor for any questions. Eric, no, I will also still put you in spotlight. Maybe then there are lots of questions that we can help each other in answering it. Okay, would that be fine for you, Eric?
Yes, no problem.
Okay, so is there any questions from the audience right now? Do you have any questions? Okay, so if there's any, maybe then I would like to ask, no? So how to start the business? That's the common question, right? Okay, so enable for us to start the business. Okay, so go back to the person who invited you. Okay, and decide on the package that you would like to start. You can start with $100. Okay, or $1,000, $5,000, or $10,000. Okay.
Hello, engineer.
Yes.
Hello, engineer.
Yes.
This is Mr. Leno. This is Mr. Leno Kupay.
Yes, Lino.
Yeah, I have a question when it comes to our marketing plan. Okay.
Okay, proceed.
How would I earn from my group, from my people? How would I earn? Do I need to recruit at least 3 people? Is that 3 people is the requirement for me to earn something, a percentage from the mining of my group?
Okay, that's a good question. Would you like to answer that, Bro Eric?
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
It depends on how many percentage that you want. We can start from 5%. That is like you just like just join the program with $100, and then you can recruit any people, and you get 5% of the whole group. That is in sales group in Bitcoin. But if you want to earn higher, for example, like 10% or 15%, then you have to be like *1 or *2. Yeah. Yes, this is the one.
Sorry, come again. My question again. My question is, do I need to recruit 3 people for me to earn 5% from the mining of my whole group? Is that so?
Oh, no. You don't need to recruit. Yeah, as long as you reach like you have your front line, then you can get the 5% of the whole system.
Yes.
If you don't recruit anyone, then of course there's no group mining here, only yourself. Yeah.
If that is so, then why I'm not earning right now if I have already my downline? I already have my 4 people under me, but until now I'm not still earning from that particular
Lino. Okay.
Yes, po.
You just have to check onto your dashboard, because upon checking, even right now I'm already enjoying from my downlines already. Okay? So you just have to check onto your dashboard and go back to the person who really led you right now. And also check if the downlines already paid the packages, because if you have downline and they didn't activated their account, of course you will not be enjoying.
No. Let's say they are already activated, but until now I didn't see anything, a commission from my people who are activated already under my tree.
Okay.
They are already activated, but I never see in my dashboard a percentage or an income.
Maybe then the reason is that we're still updating the system. We're very new yet. Okay. So rest assured that all of your commissions will be in your dashboard already. Just message us. Okay. Just message us. Okay. The IT, just message. Who invited you, Lino? It's Roland, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So you inform him about this, because that's easy to resolve, and it will be updated as soon as possible. And
I'm already
also
asking.
take into consideration that we are yet on the first stage of our business. Okay, so did we answer you right, Lino?
I already asked Roland about this, but I already asked him why I did not earn on my referrals.
Lino,
and
once again, I told you all of that will be resolved. Okay, I do believe that it's just fair for us to inform, and also that's easy. Sobrang madali yan, Lino. Okay? So balikan mo lang si Roland for that matter. Okay? Madali lang yan. I-update lang natin yung office na yung back end, and that's very easy. Okay?
So again. Clarification. Again. I hope you don't mind. Again, clarification. So it means you don't need to recruit 3 people for you to earn for the whole group?
Ano?
Let me explain.
For you to earn as much as 5%
by Leo, excuse me.
Okay.
Let me explain. If your account is $100 and then you invite your friends in your first level, whatever their mining income, you will earn 5%. That is very clear. Okay? Now, if your account is $1,000, and then you can earn 10% on the mining income of your group if you will achieve the rank of 1 star. What is needed? You must have at least 3 direct referrals, and your total volume is 15,000. And then you will earn 10% of your group income.
Okay. So I need to have 15,000 volume first before I will earn.
If you want to earn 10%, you need 15,000 volume.
Okay, even I already have 3 people recruited, but as long that I don't have 15,000 volume, I will not earn.
You will not earn 10% if you only have 3 people personally enrolled or direct sponsored, and if you don't reach the volume of 15,000, you cannot earn 10%. But right now, you will be earning 5%. So please screenshot your dashboard and send it to me, and I will check. I know that you are already starting to earn.
Yeah, that is my question. That is my question for you a while ago. That Gerald already activated. Rishi already activated. But why I did not see any 5% earning from them?
You cannot earn 5% if actually you screenshot your dashboard, brother, and you will see that you are earning. That
Okay.
is impossible.
Sige.
Okay.
Lino,
I will send it to you.
okay,
Okay,
thank
bye.
you.
Thank you.
Lino,
Thank you,
ha?
bye.
We will be entertaining other questions as well. And
Okay.
those questions, you can directly forward that to your immediate upline.
Bye. Brother Leo, can you put back the marketing plan? I will give a little explanation so that people will understand.
Here it is.
Okay, as you can see in your dashboard right now, if your account is $100, all your direct referrals, whatever their income on the mining profit, every day they are mining, you will earn 5%. Now, if you want to increase your percentage on the override of the mining profit of your downline, your account must be $1,000. Okay? $1,000. And if you want to increase it to 10%, you must be a 1-star. For you to achieve 1-star, you must have a volume of 15,000. That is group volume, as you can see in your dashboard right now, in your screen, and you must have at least 3 direct referrals. So once you're able to comply that conditions, 100% you will be earning 10%. That is for sure. Now, if you want to increase your profit or your mining profit override to 15%, you must reach the rank of 2-star. So your account must be 1,000, and you must able to produce 2 1-star, and the total group volume is $50,000. And you must have a direct referral or direct sponsors of 5. Those 5 sponsors, direct sponsors of yours, no need to invest 1,000, no need to buy the money package of 1,000. It could be 5 $100 or money packages. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much it is. As long as that you have 5 direct sponsors, you're gonna increase your daily mining profit override on your group to 15,000. And if you want to increase to $20,000, number one, your 20%. Sorry, 20%. Your mining account should be $5,000, and you can produce 2 2-stars. Okay, 2 stars, and your total volume is $210,000, and your mining profit is 20% override, and you must have 7 direct sponsors. Okay, that is very clear. Okay, and in the event that you reach the same rank with your downlines, there is a breakaway percentage of 10%. So that's how we're gonna interpret the marketing plan. So we will be coming up with a very more clear about the compensation plan. But what is the good news here is there are 2 ways on how to make money in Ricky's Booster. Number one, your personal daily mining profit. Whether you will recruit people, whether you will not share the opportunity to others, you will be earning daily Bitcoin personally. Okay? Now, the second way to make money here is the daily mining overriding profit from the mining profit of your downlines. So just imagine if you have a big community, 100,000 people, every day they are mining, every day you will be earning Bitcoin also. The good thing is, you will be earning in a form of Bitcoin, not in a form of USDT, not in a form of dollars, but Bitcoin. And we all know how powerful Bitcoin is. Now, in the compensation plan, there are actually 4 ways to earn. Number one, your personal mining. Second, your daily mining overriding profit from the mining of your downlines. Number two, the breakaway leadership override, which is the 10%. And the fourth is the 5%. The company allocated 5% for the pool. It's like profit sharing. 5% of the profit of the company in the mining, it will be allocated to the achievers, starting from 4-star rank up to the 8th-star rank. So 40% of the 5% goes to the 4-star, and then 30% to the 5-star, and then 20% to the 6-star. 7-star is like 10%, and then 5%. So that's how generous the compensation plan is. This is the compensation plan that is 100 safe and sustainable. I tell you why. Because the profit that we will be receiving is not from the entry or mining packages of the person who will join to us. It's from the mining profit. And we all know that our USB ASIC miners will generate Bitcoin every single day. So the company is not spending much on this from the entry packages. It's from the mining. That's how powerful it is. And that's how safe the compensation plan. It is very sustainable. So guys, anyway, so we are in the beginning stage. The company has just started. We started encoding January 2 of 2025. And this is our first official Zoom meeting. This is our first official Zoom meeting in this year 2025. So in the next few days, in the next few weeks, definitely we will be refining, and we will be like almost perfect. But I would like to thank Brother Leo and Dr. Paulo for presenting this one. It's an excellent presentations. And with regards to the details, guys, let's go to our group chat, and then we'll go there, and then let's dissect everything. And there are a lot of developments in the back office, and Eric, me, and the corporate team are trying to refine everything, and we have a very good system in the next few days. So that is our commitment, and that is the commitment of the company. So we are just starting, and believe me, there are a lot right now. There are a lot of big leaders in the industry are now jumping into us, and in the next few days you will see them all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. No, there are some two questions that have been also raised. No, so but before that, thank you very much, Mentor Roland, for that clarification, and we're excited, no, for you to really be part of our team. And before ending, no, it's already 10 o'clock. No, I would like to answer that question. Like, for example, how can you withdraw your earnings? Is there a minimum withdrawal? Yes, you can easily withdraw minimum of $100. Okay, how to withdraw? You can ask the person who invited you. And is this a pyramid scheme? No. So far, this is no pyramid scheme. This is no sort of a kiting or pyramid scheme. Okay, our income, no, basically are coming from the Bitcoin mining. It's not coming from the pay-ins or the payments of our members. Again, and I'm so happy with that. And good thing, no, even without recruitment, you will enjoy daily earning of Bitcoins in our Ricky's Booster business. Okay, so it's already 10 o'clock, and I would like to end this meeting with saying thank you very much. And I would like to promote again. Tomorrow we'll be having another Zoom meeting. It will be on a daily basis from Monday to Saturday, every 9 p.m. If you would like to have the link, just message your team leaders, enable for you to have that. And every Wednesdays and Saturdays, we will not be presenting the business, but we will be giving you education together with Doc Pao about how to do this business professionally, globally, massively, for you to enjoy sustainable income. Once again, in behalf of Ricky's Booster, in behalf of our chairman, Ricky Seo, and with our team, our team leader, Roland Malinaw, together with our good friend, our COO, Eric Nguyen in Vietnam. Thank you very much. And together with Doc Pao also, no? Thank you very much. God bless us all. Mayong adlaw sa atong tanan. Good evening. Buenos dias,
Sir.
buenas noches, everyone. Okay, God bless us all. To God be all the glory. Good night. Ciao.
Thank you. Good night.
Excuse me lang po, sir. Sir, engineer.
Thank you, engineer, brother.
Engineer.